Now, it might be hard to see, but from this angle, this area is closed off. On the second floor, it's hard to see right here, but that area is closed off. And then you can see back there. So we have a lot of construction happening at the Grand Floridian. And then what'll happen is, as you go throughout the lobby as well as the second floor, you're rerouted a bit because there are so many little areas that are being put under construction. So even the check-in desks, which are normally, which are normally right under these pillars, they've been moved to right down here. So there's where you get your nice little drink to check in, and the check-in desk is right when you come in the lobby. So right now it's around 10. It's a 10, so if you're not prepared for construction, keep that in mind, I would say, especially when deciding for right now until the Grand Floridian is completely refurbished. So I'm on the 4th floor right now, but this is a good example. You'll see a lot of signs that will say, excuse our appearance. Oh, a lot of that. And then see on the second floor, wait, not that one, right here. So you see more areas that are closed off.
Thanks for coming along with me on this adventure today. Make sure to subscribe below so that you get notified of our next one. Have the best day, and remember, keep finding those adventures.